Hello students, again I am here in front of you with a new chapter, that is measurement and motion. In this chapter we will see that how to measure length, weight and time. Let's see, the first one is, before we go on the topic, we should have to see what is the meaning of rest position. Rest position in the sense the object is stable. Here they have given the definition: the object which remains stationary. The object which remains stationary at the place and do not change their position are said to be at rest. In this sense, in this position, the object is not moving from its place. It is there at its place only. So that's why the position is called rest position. Second point, you have been given that the different modes of transport are used to go from one place to another place. In ancient time, people used the length of foot, the width of finger and the distance of the step as unit of measurement. This caused confusion and a need to develop the uniform system measurement. This is the point. These 2 points are the summary. First we have seen the definition of rest, and the second point we have seen what are the another topic in the chapter, that is first is transport. How in the ancient age the people are transporting from one place to another place. And the second is how they are measuring particular things. They are measuring particular things with the help of width of the figure, distance of the steps, and these units are not perfect for all of the person. It is not same for the all person. So they require uniform system of measurement. So that's why they have developed. Afterwards, the person has developed the international system of unit. In short form, it is called SI unit. Sometimes full form of SI unit, they asking in the examination that what is the full form of SI unit. The full form of SI unit is system of unit. Now is international system of unit, and this is accepted all over the world. It does not mean we had decided the length unit is meter. So in America or London or any another country, it is not meter. Everywhere, anywhere you will go in any of the country, the length has been measured in meter only. If you are asking 1 meter cloth, here in India they are giving 40 inch is equal to 1 meter. 40 each is equal to 1 meter. They will be giving 1 meter cloth. If you will go to the America, you will ask for the 1 meter cloth. They will measure with the same measure tape, with the same measure, and they will give 1 meter means 40-inch cloth. It means this international system of unit is the institute which is decided standard unit for the particular quantity, and this unit has been applied to all the countries. Now next is meter is the unit of length in SI unit. This is the important very short question answer. What is SI unit of length? It is meter. Motion in the straight line is called rectilinear motion. These are the type. Now these are the type of motion. The first one is rectilinear. The second point they have given circular, and the third point they have given periodic motion. The first is what, before we go on this rectilinear motion, circular motion and all, we should have to know what is the meaning of motion. If you are standing near the kitchen, somebody is calling you, you are going outside in your balcony, so you are walking from kitchen to balcony. So the place of that particular thing or the object has been changed, and that is called motion. It means the movement of the object is called motion. Okay, and if the object is stable at the particular place is called rest position. So now first we will see rectilinear motion. Linear means straight line. So this rectilinear motions are called which is on the straight line. Second is circular motion. From the name only we come to know that this motion is in the circular path, and this circular path is same. The diameter or the radius of the circular path is same. Okay, that's why they have written an object moves such that its distance from the fixed point remains the same. Third one is motion that repeats itself after some period of time is called periodic motion. Now here in periodic motion, the best example ever is clock or watch, whatever we are wearing. While clock, in that one, the hour hand or the minute hand is going is passing 60 minutes and coming to the particular place, okay, and complete 1 hour, and it is the time which is taken by that particular object to complete this motion is same. Okay, that's why they have told us repeats itself after some period of time is called periodic motion. And the best example is also pendulum, you have seen in the small standard 2. Next slide we will see measurement. Now first we should have to see what is the meaning of measurement. The comparison of unknown quantity with some known quantity of the same kind. Measurement of an object consists of unit of measurement and the number of units the object measures. Okay, now suppose we are going to buy rice. Now if we don't know, rice has been measured, the weight of the rice has been measured in kilometer or kilogram or seconds. So we had taught that rice or the weight has been calculated or has been measured in kilogram. Okay, so first is unit of measurement, that is kilogram. Now the number of units the object measures means how much rice you want to buy, that is 2 kg, 3 kg, 3 kg 300, 4 kg 500. Okay, this is the digit amount or the particular weight that you want to buy. So to measure, two conditions are necessary. The first one is the unit of measurement and the second one is unit number of units of the object measures. First is unit, you should know which quantity has been measured in which condition, which type of unit. And the second is how much quantity you want to buy or you want to take. Next is conventional method of measurement. These are the ancient habits to measure any of the object, length, weight. Okay, conventional measures have only been approximate measurement. This is not definite or perfect measurement, and this is differ from person to person. Suppose short heighted person is there and long heighted person is there. Now they are asking for 1 meter clothes. Again, to the short heighted person, if the short heighted person will measure with the help of hand width like this way, it is different, and the heighted person will measure like this way, it is also different. So it will differ from person to person, and lack of precision means it is not defined, accurate. So here are some ancient units. First is hand span, like this way, from thumb to tip of the lady finger is called, the distance of this two finger tip is called hand span. Length between the tip of the thumb and little finger is called hand span. Cubit, the length of the tip of the middle finger from there to here, this is called cubit. Okay, and arm length from the shoulder to the tip of the middle finger, like this way, this is called arm length. Okay, these are the three measurement. One more is there, foot step. If you are walking, whatever the distance between two legs is called foot step. Here we are having one figure. In the first figure you can see this is the hand span, this is the cubit, this is foot span. Okay, these all are the example of ancient units. Now this is your home assignment. First is definition of the rest position of the object. This you can write down in your own words also. Second, what is meant by measurement. Third, which is the SI unit of length. If you know about weight or time, you can write down, though it is remaining, but then too. Fourth, write the conventional method for the measurement. Here in this slide, I have not written footstep because some of the students are not listening video carefully. So that's why I have skipped one ancient unit, that is footstep, which is given in the textbook, but I have not given in the written form in PPT. But in the figure you have been given again footstep, so you have to remember it and you have to write down 4 units, ancient unit. That is, first one is hand span, second one is cubit, third one is forearm, and fifth one is footstep. The fifth is define handspan, cubit, and footstep. Again, I have asked about the definition of footstep, which is not given in this video, but you should have to write down from the textbook, or else if you know what is the meaning of footstep,